Hello once again. Kumusta na kayo? I hope you're all doing fine. So, last week, natapos natin yung pagsagot ng Module 4. Nagkaroon tayo ng online classes about Module 4. At napag-aralan natin yung tungkol sa reproductive parts of plants. Yun yung week 4. Ngayon naman, ang pag-aaralan natin ay tungkol sa Module 5. Ito ay tungkol sa modes of reproduction in flowering and non-flowering plants. Meron tayong most essential learning competencies o mga dapat na matutunan sa module na to. Number 1, describe the mode of reproduction of fern and moss. Ang fern tsaka moss ay mga halaman yan. Number 2, describe the mode of reproduction of mungo and corn kernel. Number 3, experiment on seed germination. You can use mungo or corn o kahit anong buto ng halaman. Kagaya ng buto ng kamatis. Pwede yun. Basta galing sa hinog na nabunga ng halaman. O kaya buto na galing sa bulaklak, kagaya ng sunflower. So, kahit anong buto ng halaman, any seed of the plant will do. So, for the pretest, you're going to answer number 1 up to number 10. After answering the pretest, you're going to answer looking back, and that's number 1 up to 5. So, yung number 1 up to 5, yan yung napag-aralan natin last week. Yung kanina na 1 to 10, yun yung mga tungkol sa pag-aaralan natin this week. So, brief introduction. So, etong brief introduction, dito nyo mababasa yung ating actual lesson. Ayan. So, babasahin nyo yung brief introduction. It's all about non-flowering plants and flowering plants. And then, after nyo basahin yan, you're going to answer the activities. Yan yung activity. So, activity number 1, watch me baby. So, materials nyo, 10 to 15 pieces of mungo seeds. Kaya yung sinabi ko, kung walang mungo seeds, pwede namang buto na lang ng kamatis o kung anong buto meron dyan sa bahay na pwedeng itanim, yung galing sa halaman. And then, small container or can, paper tissue, or small amount of water. Kung wala kayong paper tissue, pwede rin naman na yung dun sa mismong lupa nyo na gawin. Procedure. Arrange the paper tissue in an empty can or small container. 2. Arrange the mungo seeds in the container. 3. Add small amount of water. Number 4. Observe what happened to the seeds for 7 days. Ibig sabihin to araw-araw nyong didiligan. Kailangan kasi basa para mag-germinate yung seed. Describe the growth of the plant each day. So, every day, observe nyo yung paglaki ng halaman. Kaya nga maganda din na kung wala kayong tissue sa lupa nyo gawin. Kasi makikita nyo rin yung paglaki ng halaman doon. Record your observations in your notebook following the forms below. So, day 1. So, yun yung unang araw na itinanim nyo. Anong observation nyo? Anong nakita nyo dun sa seed? Number 2, lagay nyo yung date. Anong pangalawang araw yon? So, ano yung observation nyo? May nangyayari ba o wala pa? Tapos, kung ano yung ma-observe yung nakikita nyo nangyayari dun sa seed, yun ang inyong gagawin. So, yung guide questions nyo, eto, number 1, describe the seeds before soaking them. Number 2, what have you observed in the seeds after 2 days, after 3 days, after 4 days, and where do the seeds get their food? So, ito yung, hindi nyo lang isang araw na gagawin kasi 7 days yung i-observe yung mungo seed o kung anong seed ang ginamit nyo o buto. So, activity 2, Describe me grow. Study the cycle of the fern below. So, nakikita yung drawing, it's cycle of fern. Describe how each stage has developed into another fern. Answer the guide questions below. So, pagkatapos niyong tingnan itong nasa drawing na to, sasagutan nyo yung guide questions. Ayan. What part of the fern helps them to reproduce? Number 2, what mode of reproduction does it show? Sexual or asexual? Why do you say? Sa activity 3 naman, you're going to arrange the sequence of the following pictures as to how seeds are formed by writing numbers 1 to 6. Kung ano yung unang-una na nangyayari dun sa seed, kung alin dyan yung una na nangyari sa seed, yun yung lalagyan ng number 1. Yung pangalawang nangyari dun sa seed, yun ang lalagyan ng number 2. So, meron tayong guide questions. Ayan. So, ito yung tungkol sa seed and pollination. So, pollination yan kasi meron tayong flowers, tapos meron tayong insect na agent of pollination. So, arrange the sequence of the following pictures as to how the seeds are formed. So, paano daw nabubuo ang seeds? Number 1, what kind of pollination took place in the activity? So, anong klase? Diba dalawa yung kinds of pollination? Meron yung self-pollination tsaka cross-pollination. Pag self-pollination, isang halaman lang. Tapos, yung pollen grains ng isang flower mapupunta sa pollen grains ng pangalawang flower o ng flower na yun din, dun lang sa isang halaman. Pero kapag yung pollination nangyari mula sa isang halaman, sa flower ng isang halaman, papunta sa flower ng pangalawang halaman, cross-pollination na ang tawag doon. So, tingnan niyo yung picture kung ilan ang halaman. Pag isa lang ang halaman, self-pollination. Pag dalawa yung halaman, cross-pollination. Which number in the activity does the new plant grow? So, anong number daw dyan sa activity na yan ang nagkaroon ng bagong halaman o tumubo yung bagong halaman? Number 3, explain how fertilization takes place in the flower. So, paano daw nagkaroon ng fertilization o pagsasama ng sex cells o gametes ng halaman. Yung pollen grains, yun ang naglalaman ng sperm cells ng male plant, ng male flower. Okay, ng male part of the flower. So, sa pollen grains, andun yun yung sperm cell ng halaman. And then, pag napunta yun sa ovary ng flower, ma-fertilize yung egg. So, ang tanong, explain how fertilization takes place in the flower. So, ipapaliwanag nyo daw kung paano nagkakaroon ng fertilization sa flower. And then, you're going to read this, yung remember. Kailangan basahin nyo yan para mas maintindihan nyo yung lesson. Pag nabasa nyo na yon, you're going to answer, check your understanding number 1 to 10. So, mamimili lang ng sagot sa A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. And then, you're going to answer the post-test. So, sa ngayon, sagutan nyo lang muna sa module nyo. Dahil magpo-post ako ng Google quiz link para pag sinagot niyo yung mga questions sa Google quiz link na pareho lang naman nung nasa module, makikita niyo agad ang inyong sagot. Kung may tanong, pwede niyo akong i-PM sa Messenger. Okay, have a great day studying science. Bye! Ay, by the way, meron nga palang answer key dito. Na pagkatapos yung sagutan yung mga dapat yung sagutan, pwede nyong gamitin ang answer key para ma-check kung tama o mali ang sagot nyo para malaman nyo rin agad ang score nyo. Pero doon sa mga questions na walang answer key, ako na lang yung mag-check. Pero, yun nga, sa Google Quiz link ko na lang ilalagay yung mga questions para doon kayo sasagot at makikita nyo agad ang inyong score at kung ano yung tamang sagot doon sa mga questions na nagkamali kayo ng sagot. Sige, bye-bye! Thank you!